How to record your screen on Redmi Note 7. Hey friends, in this video I am going to show you how to record your screen on a Redmi Note 7. No extra apps needed. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your phone. Swipe down twice from the top of your screen to fully open the quick settings panel. Look for the icon that says screen recorder. It looks like a video camera. Can't find it? Tap the pencil icon to edit shortcuts and drag screen recorder into your main panel. Tap screen recorder icon. A floating window will appear with a red record button, and it will start recording your screen instantly. Now, do whatever you want to capture on the screen. When you are done, tap the stop button in the floating tool. Your video is automatically saved in the gallery screen recorder folder. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now you can record tutorials, gameplay or whatever you want on your Redmi Note 7. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.